Oh, keep moving. Oh, so you need to keep cut. So right now what they're doing is they're cutting their sharks open so we can start learning about the digestive organs. Oh, and here we go. You might be able to see some stuff here. All right, good stuff.
Whoa. That's really exciting. That's cool. That's cool, but nasty at the same time. It's nasty.
It's like nasty, but it's really cool.
I want to do that.
It's nasty.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. That is cool. Did they eat all the fish? They eat. It looks like they
Now we're gonna look inside the mouth here. Hold it like all the way.
Then we're gonna look inside its
Did I
mouth.
lose you? Oh no. Woo!
I have a big.
So there's the mouth. Okay. This is the shark's teeth. This is the shark's teeth here.
Oh, that's cool.
And this is their tongue. This is the. Okay. And then, you know, so like you see all this goop, that's all like food and stuff that they didn't get to finish eating. But then you go down here and this is all their organs. This is where their stomach is, their liver, and intestines.
Yeah. Wow, that looks weird.
Hey, look,